Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and today we're taking a look at a formalinear design style. This is a style that originated in Europe, and it's a composition of a little bit more fewer items, but really set together in bold forms and at right angles or left angles. So it has an asymmetrical balance and usually descending, kind of coming down on one side, and a strong line that's coming up on the other side. So today I've used the EcoSensals container with some midnight foam. We cut the foam to be kind of even with the container. But as we were putting in our insertions, you want to make sure that we get down into that target zone. So foam is going to be holding 40 times its own weight in water, but as it evaporates, it goes down to the base of the container. So the target zone to hit your stem insertions is within 1 inch of the bottom of the container. So you can see that that top flower has a good water source coming in. So all of these materials were brought in at more of an angle and created that great stem insertion that's going to create a long-lasting design for your customers. We also added an unusual use of status. So here you can see I created a strong line that's taken status from kind of a filler flower to a little bit more of a mass flower, and having that strong line come through. We've got pairs of the spray roses, pairs of the roses, Art Deco roses, and then some of the burgundy, 2 of the burgundy Alstro, and then 2 stock. And then the coloring on the base is done quickly just by using a aspidistra leaf. And I just cut it and bent it back on itself and poked it through. And then you can see how easily that creates a collar to finish off the back and the front. So we have that element repeated on the front and back sides. And so it really all comes together. And then utilizing the grevillea foliage to really accent that line that we've created. So I hope you'll embrace this design style. Spread your flowers out and think about alternative uses for basic flowers. I'm Sandy Schroeck, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.